Hey internet, so this is the Python code for linear interpolation. So I'll run it, which it is running. You can find the code in the pinned comment or in the description for the GitHub link. Okay, so it is based off the manual example that I showed in a different video, which is also in the description. So let's say we want to find the enthalpy of 68 degrees Celsius of water. So the max value A is 70 degrees Celsius. So we type in 70 here. And our minimum temperature is 65. Okay. And we want to find the 68 temperature. And then we want to find the enthalpy max at 70 degrees, which is 2333.0. And then at the minimum, which is 2345.4. And then we should get a value of 2337.96 kilojoules per kilogram. So there we go. It did work out. So the code behind it, or what's actually behind it, you basically got an equation on your left and an equation on your right. So if you watch the manual video, it'll be a lot more clearer, but I'm using the same math behind it. It's all the same. So if you want to learn manually, watch that video and then you'll understand the math behind it. But it is basically just the left equation versus the right equation, and you just plug in the numbers and it just calculates it for you. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Hope this was helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if you prefer the calculator or you prefer to learn it manually. I'm sure in the exam you have to do it manually anyways, but for assignments this might be helpful. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.